Hello students! We have two classes today and we are working together on page 84 and 85 of the student's book. Have it updated is the first class, a dialogue to read and work with, and then grammar part, causative form. Look at the picture. Are you familiar with most of the things? Of course. We have gadgets all around the house, but teenagers have their favorite ones. What are some of these? You can see the picture, and I can say that most of you have some of them, and I'm sure you can name them. Let's start. This is a group of questions. Listen to them carefully, think about, and then answer these questions. You can send voice messages to share with your friends in group. Do you have an e-reader and tablet? What other gadgets do you have? What other gadgets can't you live without? What do you do if you have a problem with your computer? Can you fix it yourself or you ask for help? When did you last have a problem? Please share with us what you did. Thank you. Look at the picture. This is taken from the student's book on page 84. Look at the girl. What do you think the text is about? Do you think the girl is worried or upset? We are going to listen together. While listening, underline new words and phrases. Work the vocabulary exercises on page 85. And we are going to discuss together. Që ju ta kuptoni më mirë? Do të dëgjoni dialogun dhe ndërkohë që dëgjoni, nënvizoni fjalët e reja apo shprehjet. Më pas, do të punoni mushtrimet e fjalorit në faqen 85 dhe do diskutojmë së bashku. Mund ta dëgjoni disa herë videon dhe të shihni me kujdes për fjalë të tjera të reja që ju mund të keni. Okay, let's listen now.
Unit 6, 4. Have it updated. Read. B.
Life can be a pain in the neck sometimes.
Why do you say that?
My laptop broke down and I'll have to pay an arm and a leg to have it repaired. It will cost the same amount to buy a new one. What am I going to do?
Neither.
But I can't do without my laptop. I need to take it with me to classes.
Forget laptops. They're ancient history. You should buy one of these little beauties.
An e-reader?
No, it's a tablet.
Ah, I've heard a lot about them. Everyone has a different opinion. What do you think?
Well, first of all, it's a lot lighter than a laptop, and you don't need a shoulder bag for it, just a little protective case.
That's true, but I see it doesn't have an actual keyboard. So, if you need to hold it with one hand and type with the other, you probably type slower than usual, right?
Oh, you get used to it after a weekend of practicing. And working with a touchscreen is so easy on the hands. Look what happens when I want to turn it on. It takes just a second and it's ready to go.
Wow, that is quick. So do you have all your music and movies on here?
Yeah, I converted everything to MP4 files, and the quality of the images is amazing.
Where are the DVD drive and the USB port hidden?
It doesn't have any.
What? So how do you insert information?
I was about to tell you that it uses cloud computing. All the information you have on your desktop computer, you store online as well. Then you access that information from your tablet wherever you are.
Aren't you forgetting one thing? I don't have another computer at home. My laptop is all I have.
Oops, that's a problem then. Well, let's go to Electronic World this afternoon, and see what can be done about your laptop.
Okay. I think you listen to it. Look at the words in the text. I have highlighted in pink some of them. I think these are some new words for you. If you have more, you can ask me anytime. Vini me kujdes foton dhe fjalët që unë i kam hjezuar me roz, mendoj se janë disa prej fjalëve që ju mund t'i keni të vështira. Por më shumë, mund të më pyesni që gjithkohës. Ndërsa tani, do të ndalemi pak tek ushtrimi i fjalorit në faqen 85. Look at the sentences from 1 to 7 and the words in bold. These are some idioms. Më sakt, siç e shihni dhe ju nga ushtrimi i fjalorit, fjalët me shkronja të zeza janë idioma. Unë i kam shkruar këtu në slide dhe njëkohësisht edhe i kam përkthyer duke u përpjekur të gjej idiomën që shkon më shumë në gjuhën shqipe. Okay. Now, let's look at together the vocabulary exercise on page 85. There are some words in bold. These are some idioms. You know, we have a lot of idioms in our language. I have translated these idioms, finding the appropriate in Albanian. Let's discuss more. Fjalët me shkronja të zeza tek ushtrimi fjalorit në faqen 85 janë idioma dhe ose shprehje idiomatike. Dhe unë i kam përkthyer për ju duke u përpjekur të gjej atë që do t'i shkonte në gjuhën shqipe. Po i lexoj. Coast an arm and a leg. Get my hands on. Make your hair stand on end. Make head or tail of this instruction. Get my teeth in two. Keep an eye on. As homework, you can make other sentences or find more examples to share with us. Këtu erdhi dhe fundi orës parë. Për detyrshtëpie mund të bëni fjali me shprehjet që unë kam shkruar, ose të gjeni shprehje të reja, të ngjashme dhe me gjuhën shqipe pse jo, dhe t'i ndani me ne. Now grammar. Causative form. This is something new for you. It is formed by the subject, have or get, plus object, plus past participle of the main verb. The causative form is used when we do not do something ourselves, but we arrange for somebody else to do it for us. For example, Tom often fixes the car. He does it himself. In causative form, Tom has or gets the car fixed. He doesn't do it himself. A mechanic does this. Këtu do ndalemi pak. Causative form është diçka e re për ju. Struktura e fjalisë do t'jetë kryefjalë, pastaj do kemi have ose get, plus kundrinorin, plus past participle të foljes kryesore. Unë kam një fjali në, kam marrë një fjali në veprore. Tom often fixes the car. Tom kryefjala, fixes folja në present simple, the car, si që shihni është kundrinori. Pra, ai e bën vetë këtë gjë. Po në causative, kur ne nuk e bëjmë vetë diçka ose një veprim, por dikush tjetër e bën këtë gjë për ne, sepse ne nuk mundemi ose nuk jemi, le të themi, të aftë për ta bërë këtë gjë, prandaj dikush tjetër mund dhe duhet ta bëjë për ne. Për shembull, në causative form, Tom has the car fixed. Çfarë ka ndryshuar nga fjalia e parë? The car, që është kundrinori, është vendosur ndërmjet have ose get, në rastin tonë në veten e tretë, në kohën e tashme, duke u përshtatur me të njëjtën kohë që ishte folja fix, për shembull në formën veprore, dhe pastaj past participle të kësaj folje kryesore. Kur Tomi edhe njerë, kur Tomi e bën diçka vetë, sepse është i aftë ta bëj. Themi, Tom often fixes the car. Tom shpesh e rregullon makinën e tij. Ndërsa kur dikush tjetër e bën këtë veprim për Tom, do të themi, Tom has ose gets the car fixed. For more explanation, we can say that the question negative forms of present simple and past simple are formed with the auxiliaries do, does and did. Pra, forma pyetëse e këtyre fjalive do të përdor edhe gjysmëndimëset. Në kohën e tashme dhe në kohën e shkuar, do, does dhe did. How often do you have your hair cut? Sue didn't have her hair cut yesterday. Në gjuhën jo zyrtare ne përdorim get në vend të have. In informal language, we can use get instead of have. I must get the washing machine repaired. We can use by plus agent if we want to mention who performs the action. Në qoftë se duam të theksojmë se kush e ka kryer veprimin, atëherë ne përdorim by plus kryersin e veprimit. She always has her hair dyed by a hairdresser. This is a picture of a causative form for several verb tenses, but you can go to the grammar section in your book and find more and more examples. After you work with this, please go to page 85 again and work the grammar exercise B. We will discuss together more. Thank you very much and goodbye.